Whenever I feel like my skin needs a little bit of a pick-me-up, I like to do a zero waste facial treatment at home. What I really love about this facial treatment is that obviously it produces as low waste as possible. It's completely natural. I can do it out of ingredients that I have around in my kitchen, and is very simple and minimal but super effective. My skin feels so great after it, and it's just a nice way to also not only treat my skin but also treat myself, because it kind of forces me to slow down for 20-30 minutes and just kind of take that time for myself. So I'm just gonna show you exactly how I do it. First, I need to put this massive amount of hair out of the way. That will do. Okay, if I'm looking a little bit tired, please don't get scared. I just am a little bit tired at the moment because I'm working a lot and holidays are very far, so it's gonna get better. So the first step is obviously remove makeup. I rarely wear any makeup these days, but when I do, this is literally everything that I use to remove makeup. So reusable cotton rounds and some oil. At the moment I'm using sweet almond oil, but I've also used olive oil, hemp seed oil, coconut oil, whatever I have on hand. And I just really like to massage the oil into my skin a lot. I work it into my skin very slowly and gently with circular motions. I use damp cotton rounds and remove as much of my makeup as possible. The second step is exfoliate my skin, and I just literally use coffee grounds. So I go straight to my coffee maker, my little espresso maker. I take coffee grounds out of it and I use it to exfoliate my skin and my body when I'm in the shower. For an easier application in this case, because I'm sitting on my bedroom floor, it's really hard for me to film in my bathroom, I found out. So I'm sitting on my bedroom floor, and for an easier application in this case, I just mix it with water. It just looks a little bit sketchy, but it's just coffee grounds mixed with water, and I'll just slather all over my face and exfoliate. Coffee are just so good for the skin because they are rich in antioxidants and they improve blood circulation. Plus, if you have a soft spot for coffee, you're just gonna love this because it smells great. And what I'm doing is just literally work it in circular motions. You want to do this over a sink because it gets messy, but if you do it over a sink, that won't be any problem. So this is a nice way to use up coffee grounds that otherwise you would have put in the compost bin. So you just kind of extend their life a tiny little bit. And like I said, it works really well to exfoliate your body as well. So I usually do it for around a minute or so. I normally use both hands, so I don't know why I'm using just one hand at the moment. After massaging it, this is what my face looks like. Hello. And I'm just going to rinse it off and I'll be back in a second. Hello, I'm back, and my skin, never mind these few spots, I just had my period, so my skin went a tiny little bit crazy, but this is what my face looks like. It's already so smooth, and it's just, the texture is just so much different, and it already made a huge difference. Next step is just going to be face mask or face masks. I like to do 2 different face masks because, like I said, I don't like to rush into this. So if I can add a little bit of an extra time into this, I'm just very happy. The first face mask that I'm about to do is made of oats, and this is literally the leftover pulp from the oat milk that I made. I just mix it with some olive oil, or any oil will do, and I'll just apply it and massage it all over my face like this. You see, like, it's very creamy, and oats are also very good for your skin because they have cleansing properties, and they're just really good at getting rid of impurities on your skin. And by using the pulp, it is just naturally very soft. You mix it with oil And what you want to do is just slather it all over your face. It is a little bit of a chunky texture, so some spots might seem like, whoops, might seem like they haven't covered your skin completely, but you're just, in reality, you're just putting the mixture all over. So some parts of your face might look a little chunkier and more covered, and while the rest of your face might not. So you want to just put it all over your face like I just did, and you just leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes or until it starts to tighten. And in that extra time, you can read a book, file your nails, or whatever you want to do. Yeah, so it's just that easy. I will see you in 10 minutes then. Hello, I'm back. I've rinsed everything off. And my skin is so soft, it's insane. It just feels so clean. The next thing is just literally a honey mask. I'm gonna get honey straight out of the jar and put it on my face. I always use organic, locally made honey. So not only I'm supporting a product that is better for bees and the environment, but I'm also putting something that is safer on my face. I really love honey in general, but especially on my face because it's anti-inflammatory. It just soothes the skin so much. It makes it softer, it nourishes the skin, it just improves the, I don't know, just the glow on my skin. Is just, I love it so much. Of course, if you want to replicate this facial, you can do whatever you want with face masks. The good thing about a homemade face mask is that you can literally 100% and not 1000% customize it. You can use bananas, you can use yogurt, avocado, aloe vera gel, olive oil. You can use whatever you got on hand. Instead of blabbering this much, I'm just gonna show you. There you go. It's super simple, but it's just so luxurious to put honey on your face. At first, like, it kind of looks like a super sticky mess, which it is, but some lukewarm water will rinse everything off, so don't be scared. There you go. I am a hot, sticky mess, but I'm just gonna leave this on for 10-15 minutes, as long as I feel like keeping it on my skin, because it's just organic honey. All right, honey mask has been rinsed off. I think I kept it on for 15 minutes. Now my skin is nice and prepped for my usual skincare products. I got a couple of serums and my moisturizer, so I'm just gonna add and apply those. Good thing about this facial treatment, personally, I think, is that you can do it even once a week or whenever you feel like your skin needs it, and it just preps in a super natural, minimal and simple way, but very effective, your skin for all of the good products that you're gonna put after all. Got a little bit of a caffeine serum for my eyes, hyaluronic acid, I don't know why I just have a huge mirror here on my right side, and I keep staring at my viewfinder. And finally, I got my moisturizer, which is a mixture of aloe vera gel and rosehip oil that I really, really love because it just soothes my skin so much. So there you go. This is gonna be it. I don't know if you can tell on camera or if it's really visible, but A, my hair looks crazy, and B, my skin just feels so much better. I just feel like it's not that, the texture is so much smoother and so much better. My pores are minimized. It is so soft and just so, feels so good. You want to take care of your skin because, especially as you age, I'm a woman in her mid-30s, and as you age, there is certainly a lot that you can do from within, so from whatever you put inside your body, food, how much water you drink, the fact whether you smoke or not, or you drink a lot of coffee or not. Those are all factors that do have an impact on your skin. But of course, there are things that you can do from the outside as well, and it doesn't have to be anything complicated or expensive or full of nasty ingredients that you can barely pronounce. So that's going to be it for today. I really hope that you have enjoyed this little homemade facial treatment. Let me know if you ever tried something similar, or if you're going to try to replicate it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you want a more in-depth skincare video about my skincare and which kind of products I use on a regular basis, also let me know down below. Yeah, I'm just gonna go and enjoy the rest of my weekend. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.